Right now, behind closed doors in Washington, something massive is happening that the mainstream media is ignoring. While most people are distracted by TikTok or arguing over politics, the wealthiest nations on earth are whispering a warning to the U.S. Treasury. The United Arab Emirates, one of the richest, most cash heavy places on the planet, literally just approached the United States and said, "Help us get cash flow, or we will have no choice but to sell off your debt and crash your bond market." This isn't a joke, and this isn't just news for Wall Street billionaires. This is the first domino in a massive economic shift. When the global bond market shakes, it changes the price of everything: your mortgage, your business loans, your car payments, and the value of your savings. But I don't want you to panic. I want you to get prepared. In this video, I'm going to break down what this invisible war means to your pocketbook, why the government is quietly pulling off the biggest financial band-aid in history, and how you can position yourself to protect your family and profit from all of this chaos. Let's go.
Noelle. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, no, you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that, yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that, let's fix that.
So let's get right into this. Let's break this down simply, because you cannot beat a game if you don't understand the rules. Think of the United States government like a household that spends way more money than it actually makes. Every single year, the government runs a deficit. To cover the bills, they issue IOUs called Treasury bonds. For decades, these bonds were considered the safest investments in the world. Countries like Japan, the UK, and China have parked a staggering $9.4 trillion into these American IOUs because they trusted they'd always get paid back with interest. But a system like that works perfectly until everyone needs their cash back at the same time. Imagine you lend a family member $1,000 and they promise to pay you back in 5 years with a little interest every year. But 2 years in, you have a massive emergency at your home. Your roof leaks, your car breaks down, or you need that cash today. You can't wait 3 more years. So you take that IOU and go to a neighbor and say, "Look, this note is worth $1,000, but I need cash now. Give me $800 right now, and you can keep the whole $1,000 when it's due." Your neighbor probably smells the desperation and takes the deal. But now, because they paid less for that asset, their actual return, which Wall Street calls the yield, just shot up. This is exactly what is going on globally right now. Because of massive global energy trade disruptions, major countries are running low on everyday cash flow. They need dollars immediately to keep their own countries running. So what are they doing? They're starting to sell off their U.S. Treasury bonds on the open market, sometimes for less than the full value, just to get their hands on liquid cash. This brings us directly to why the United Arab Emirates is the ultimate wake-up call. The UAE is fabulously wealthy. They have hundreds of billions in reserves and trillions in sovereign wealth funds. They are far from broke. But because of shipping lane closures, their regular cash flow from oil slowed down. And when your daily cash flow stalls, you have to dip into your savings. However, if the UAE had just gone out and sold their tens of billions in U.S. Treasury bonds to get cash, it would have flooded an already stressed market. When everyone sells an asset at the same time, it crashes the price of that asset. And when Treasury prices crash, interest rates go up across the board. So the UAE did something brilliant. They went to Washington and said, "Look, let's avoid a disaster. Give us an emergency line of credit." Washington agreed and used something called a currency swap line. Essentially, the Federal Reserve prints dollars and lends them directly to the foreign central bank, holding their foreign currency as collateral. Now, the government will tell you this is not actually a bailout because the money gets rolled over or repaid. But let's be real, that is a massive band-aid. The Fed is doing this to stop these countries from becoming forced sellers of U.S. debt. It's not a bailout for the UAE. It's a quiet bailout for the US Treasury market itself. They are trying to put a lid on a pot that is boiling over. Quick detour. I know that leaders are readers. So I want to give you access to my free Millionaire Blueprint book bundle for free. You just cover the shipping at noellsbookoffer.com. This book bundle has all 4 of my Amazon best-selling books, which has tons of secrets. I poured my heart into all of these different businesses I have done and give you all of the secrets to do it yourself. You can have a business and get business funding. You can have a business that has lots of customers. I have marketing secrets. I have real estate secrets. And I even can teach you how to use business credit to start and grow all types of businesses that I have done myself. Again, you can get all 4 of these books absolutely free. Just go to noellsbookoffer.com. All right, let me get back to this. So let's talk about the impact. Now, I know you may be thinking, Noelle, this sounds like a massive global geopolitical chess game. Why does this matter to me running my business or trying to buy real estate? Here's why it matters. Treasury yields set the baseline for every single interest rate in the economy. When the government has to compete with these discounted bonds on the open market, they are forced to offer higher and higher interest rates on new debt just to attract new lenders. But when government borrowing costs shoot up, a chain reaction happens. Instantly, banks raise interest rates on mortgages, corporate loans, and car loans. I remember back when I was building my real estate portfolio, I remember watching people be caught off guard by sudden shifts in the interest rate or the lending markets. They were waiting for the perfect time or assuming things would just stay stable forever. But the people who understand macroeconomic trends don't get caught off guard. We pivot. If other countries like Kuwait, who also had their oil exports hit recently and hold over $60 billion in US debt, if they follow the UAE's lead, the government is going to have to keep playing this game and extending and pretending. The US government is trying to hold interest rates down, but the pressure is building. This means we are entering into a period of prolonged economic volatility. The cost of traditional borrowing is going to stay unpredictable. So like I promised, let me tell you how to pivot and to profit. When the masses see headlines about a debt crisis, they are going to freeze. They stop investing. They let their fear take over and they pull back. But the true leaders look at the board and ask, where is the opportunity? When the traditional financial system gets volatile, it is time to focus on tangible, cash flowing assets that you control. Number 1, secure assets over paper. If the bond market and paper currency are under pressure, you want your wealth parked in real assets, real estate, high yielding business assets, and intellectual property. Remember, housing provides shelter no matter what the Federal Reserve is doing. And you cannot replace housing with AI or technology. We cannot live in a computer or a laptop. Number 2, focus on cash flow, not appreciation. Just like the UAE, you can be incredibly wealthy on paper, but if your daily cash flow stops, you are in trouble. In this environment, do not buy assets just hoping that they will go up in value 5 years from now. Buy things at a discount and put your money in your pocket every single month. For example, buying real estate at a discount, finding people that are behind on their mortgage payments or in foreclosure or divorce or bankruptcy. Those discounted assets will be assets for you that provide cash flow by turning them into short-term rentals or corporate housing or into rental properties, things that Noelle Randall does for cash flow. And number 3, lock in your fixed-in financing now. If you are using debt to scale, make sure that it's fixed. Do not get caught up in adjustable rate situation when global dominoes are falling like crazy. Protect your downside so your upside can take care of itself. Additionally, taking over people's mortgage payments and doing creative financing like subject to and lease purchases and lease purchase options. All of these things that I teach you in my book bundle, how to get the funding and how to buy discounted assets that bring you cash, bring you equity, appreciate over time, and build your personal net worth. Get that book bundle at noellsbookoffer.com because I'm teaching you a lot of those secrets in detail in those books as well. All right, one more thing. It's time for you to own your financial destiny. The first domino has fallen, but your financial story is still being written. The system is going to keep doing what it does, printing, extending, and pretending. And your job is not going to fix the global economy. Your job is to secure your empire until you can get income generating assets that you own and control so that you have multiple streams of income. Don't let the macro anxiety stop the micro actions that lead to success. Use this knowledge as your superpower. Build your businesses, protect your credit, stack your cash flow, and be ready to acquire assets, especially discounted assets, when others are retreating out of fear. If you want to know how I build cash flowing portfolios that withstand economic shifts and how you can get started doing the same thing, make sure to check out the links in the description box and go to noellsbookoffer.com right now. I'm Noelle Randall. Let's stay educated, let's stay proactive, and let's win together. Hit that like button and share this video. Subscribe so that you never miss a wealth building breakdown. And get my Millionaire Blueprint bundle for free at noellsbookoffer.com. Leaders are readers, and you can have the power and the knowledge to use that power in this new economy. And you do not have to just watch all the dominoes fall around you. It is time to take action. There are going to be some amazing assets on discount that you can get and actually have the wealth transferred to you. Get the book bundle right now, noellsbookoffer.com. Why? Because I want to make sure that you have all of the knowledge, all of the tools, and all of the resources that you need to be successful. This is Noelle, to your success.